Stick diagrams. Stick diagrams. Electronics. Stick diagrams. Objectives, outcome. To know what is meant by stick diagram. To understand the capabilities and limitations of stick diagram. To learn how to draw stick diagrams for a given MOS circuit. Outcome. At the end of this module, the students will be able to draw the stick diagram for simple MOS circuits. Electronics. Stick diagrams. Stick diagrams. N+. N+. Electronics. Stick diagrams. Stick diagrams. VDD VDD X. Stick diagram. GND GND. Electronics. Stick diagrams. Stick diagrams. GND. VDD. X. VDD. GND. Electronics. Stick diagrams. Stick diagrams. VLSI design aims to translate circuit concepts onto silicon. Stick diagrams are a means of capturing topography and layer information using simple diagrams. Stick diagrams convey layer information through color codes, or monochrome encoding. Acts as an interface between symbolic circuit and the actual layout. Electronics. Stick diagrams that show all components/vias. It shows relative placement of components. Goes one step closer to the layout. Helps plan the layout and routing. A stick diagram is a cartoon of a layout. Electronics. Stick diagrams does not show exact placement of components. Transistor sizes. Wire lengths, wire widths, top boundaries. Any other low-level details such as parasitics. Electronics. Stick diagrams, notations. Metal 1. Could also draw. In shades of gray/line style. Poly. Diff. Diff. Similarly for contacts, via, top etc. Electronics. Stick diagrams, some rules. When two or more sticks of the same type cross or touch each other, that represents electrical contact. Electronics. Stick diagrams, some rules. When two or more sticks of different type cross or touch each other, there is no electrical contact. If electrical contact is needed, we have to show the connection explicitly. Electronics. Stick diagrams, some rules. When a poly crosses diffusion, it represents a transistor. Note, if a contact is shown, then it is not a transistor. Electronics. Stick diagrams, some rules. In CMOS, a demarcation line is drawn to avoid touching of P-diff with N-diff. All PMOS must lie on one side of the line and all NMOS will have to be on the other side. Electronics. How to draw stick diagrams. Electronics. Stick diagrams. Electronics. Stick diagrams. Power. A. Out. C. B. Ground. Electronics. Stick diagrams summary. What is stick diagram? Why stick diagram? Conventions and rules related to stick diagram. Drawing stick diagrams. Electronics. Stick diagrams. Stick diagrams. 1-minute paper. Electronics.